Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to separate vocals and music from a song, and it's completely free. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To separate vocals and music from a song, go to your browser and in search type vocal remover. Just type vocal remover and hit enter. Here you will find the first link, vocal remover and isolate, and within bracket AI. Artificial intelligence will be used to separate vocal and music, and the site name is vocalremover.org. Now go to the site, and here in this site you can click on browse my file, or you can drag your music file and drop here. I'm clicking on browse my files, and this is my song. Select it and click on open, and uploading the files, it will take some time. And now audio is processing. Artificial intelligence algorithm now works to separate the music and vocals, and now loading the music and vocals separately. And look here, music and vocals are separated. Now I am going to play the music. Look, it's only music, and now I'm going to play the
বেলায় তোমারই আকাশে নীরব আপোষে ভেসে যায় সেই ভীষণ শীতল ভেজা চোখ কখনো দেখায়নি তোমায়।
Look, it's amazing. Vocals and music are separated completely. If you want to save vocals or music, just click on save button on lower right corner. And if you want to save music, click on music. If you want to save vocal, click on vocal. Or if you want to save both music and vocal, just click on here. I'm going to save music. Click on music. Look, the music is saved. And now I'm going to save the vocal. Click on vocal. Both music and vocal are downloaded. Now I'm playing the vocal.
আকাশে কখনো অনেক
তবেলায় কতকাল
And now I am going to play the music. This is the easiest way to separate vocals and music from a song, and it's completely free. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.